How to connect bass to audio interface. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll learn how to connect your bass guitar to an audio interface for recording or practice at home. Whether you're beginning or just setting up your home studio, this step-by-step guide will get you up and running quickly. Here's what you need: a bass guitar, an instrument cable, an audio interface with an instrument high Z input, computer with a digital audio workstation, and headphones or the studio monitors. Step 1. Connect your bass to the interface. Plug one end of the cable into your bass guitar output. Connect the other end to the instrument input on your audio interface. Ensure the input is set to instrument or high Z if your interface has a selector switch. Step 2. Connect the interface to your computer. Use the appropriate USB or Thunderbolt cable to connect your audio interface to your computer. Install any necessary drivers or software provided by the manufacturer to ensure proper functionality. Step 3. Adjust input levels. Open your digital audio workstation and select your audio interface as the input device. While playing your bass, gradually increase the gain on the interface until the signal is strong but not clipping. Most interfaces have an LED indicator that turns red when the signal is too hot. Step 4. Monitor your sound. Connect your headphones or studio monitors to the audio interface. Enable direct monitoring if available so you can hear your bass in real time without latency. Step 5. Enhance your tone. Within your digital audio workstation, you can add amp simulators or effects plugin to shape your bass tone. Experiment with different settings to find the sound that suits your style. And that's it. You successfully connect your bass guitar to an audio interface. Now you're ready to record, practice, or jam with your favorite tracks. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thank you.